This is the homework help video for Thursday, February 9th. For all classes, the homework is 12-4 word problem practice. We're calculating the area of circles. On number 2, they're asking us to find the area of the coin to the nearest tenth. We know area formula for a circle is area equals pi r squared. But the first problem we have here is they've shown us the diameter of this coin, not the radius. So we need to find the radius of the coin first. Radius is half the diameter. So radius equals 1/2 diameter. So the radius equals 1/2 of 19. We know 1/2 times a number is the same as the number divided by 2, so 19 divided by 2. There are 0 2's in 1, and then there are 9 2's in 19. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract to get a remainder of 1. We want a decimal and a 0 so we can keep dividing. We can add that decimal because 19.0 is the same as 19. We haven't changed the value. Line up a decimal in our quotient, bring that 0 down, and there are 5 2's in 10. 5 times 2 is 10, remainder of 0, so our radius is 9.5 millimeters. Okay, now area formula. Area equals pi r squared. So the area equals, they didn't tell us to estimate, so we're going to use 3.14 for pi times 9.5 squared. We know from PEMDAS that we need to take care of this exponent first. So let me do that over on the side. 9.5 squared would be 9.5 times 9.5. I didn't line those decimals up. I just pretended I was, remember when we're multiplying by decimals, we ignore the decimals. So it's like I'm multiplying 95 times 95. And we'll just deal with the decimal places at the end. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 2 is 47. Now when I'm multiplying by the 9, I'm multiplying by the tens place. So I start with the 0. 5 times 9 is 45, carry the 4. 9 times 9 is 81, plus 4 is 85. Add these up, we get 10. Okay, and there's one decimal place in this factor, one decimal place is in this factor, so 2 decimal places in my product. So 90.25. So area equals 3.14 times 90.25. Now again, we're multiplying decimals, we ignore the decimal. It's like I'm multiplying 9,025 times 314. And we'll deal with the decimals at the end. 5 times 4 is 20, carry the 2. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 0 times 4 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 9 times 4 is 36. And when I'm multiplying by the 1, I'm multiplying by the tens place, so start with a 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 0 times 1 is 0. 9 times 1 is 9. When I'm multiplying by the 3, I'm multiplying by the hundreds place, so start with 2 zeros. 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 0 times 3 is 0. 9 times 3 is 27. Add all this up and we get there are 2 decimal places in this factor. There are 2 decimal places in this factor. So we need 4 decimal places in our product. So I need 4 digits after the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area equals 283.3850. That's going to be millimeters squared. I'll put that in at the end. But we're rounding to the nearest tenth. So I need the digit in the tenths place. Look to the number to the right of it. It is 5 or more, so raise that 3 to a 4. So 283.4, 283 and 4/10 millimeters squared for area. Okay, use a calculator to check your answer, but try to do the multiplication by yourself first. And then if you get a different answer on your calculator, go back and check your work. Okay, there is a golden ticket on this homework help video. You need to find, the question is 3/4 of a minute. 3/4 of a minute is what fraction of an hour? First person to get the answer right. Now I'm changing this up a little bit. When you get the answer, go to my website and email me from the website. That way we won't have people chasing each other down the hall to me first in the morning, and it'll be safer this way. And I'll just see who gets the correct answer in by email first. If you don't get it in by email, but you bring me the correct answer the next day, it's still worth 10 tickets for the drawing. Whoever's first gets the golden ticket, and any attempts but incorrect answers to win 5 tickets for the weekly drawing. Okay, I'll see you in the morning.